The selection group contains all the tools you'll use to select different elements, vertices, edges, faces, and objects. It helps you quickly switch between element types and control exactly what you want to work with while modeling. In this scene, I have a cylinder and a sphere. Both contain many faces and edges we can select. Once an object is selected, the toolbar at the top gives you access to vertex, edge, and face selection modes. If I select a face, then look at the selection group on the right side and you'll see the available tools: all, invert, isolate, grow, shrink, loop, ring, and border. All selects every face on the object. Since the selection or the cylinder and the sphere are combined into one object, selecting all highlights every face on both meshes. Invert flips the selection. Whatever was selected becomes unselected and everything else becomes selected. Isolate selects only the connected faces that belong to the same mesh section. For example, isolating on the cylinder selects only the cylinder's faces, even though it's part of the combined object. Doing the same on the sphere isolates only the sphere. Grow expands the selection outward from the currently selected faces, and shrink reduces the selection inward. For the next tools, switch to edge mode. Loop selects a continuous loop of edges around the object. Selecting an edge and clicking loop will highlight the entire loop around the direction. Ring selects a ring of edges perpendicular to the loop direction. Instead of wrapping around the object, it selects edges in a straight line across it. Finally, border is used when an object has an open edge or a hole in the mesh. Selecting a face near the opening and clicking border highlights the entire boundary of that opening. This set of tools gives you fast, precise control over your selections, making it easier to edit exactly the parts of the mesh you want.